Hi, we are currently in a VR application. It's running on a Meta Quest 2 headset device. I will chat with ChatGPT by voice. There is a character over there. He will play the role of a hotel receptionist. I will ask my questions to him by talking, and he will respond by talking. Actually, ChatGPT will answer my questions. It will take into account the information we previously provided. So let's go there. Can I book a room, please?
Sure. How many people are you?
Just me.
I'm sorry, we don't have any rooms available for one person.
Any other option?
We have rooms available for two people or two people and a kid. Would you like to book one of those?
Yes, double room, please.
Great. We have a double room available. Would you like to confirm the booking?
Sure.
Great. Your room number is 25.
How many room cards can I have?
You can have a maximum of 3 door cards in total.
How many pools in the hotel?
We have 3 pools in the hotel, a large outdoor pool, an indoor pool, and a children's pool.
Is the outdoor pool open in the morning?
Yes, the outdoor pool is open between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m.
Can I bring my friend outside hotel?
I'm sorry, guests coming from outside the hotel cannot use the pool.
Okay. Is there a theater in the town?
I'm sorry, I don't have that information.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Okay, how it works. As the first step, I created a prompt for ChatGPT. Prompt defines rules and context for chat. When I talk, application captures the voice input from my voice and sends the voice to the speech to text API in the cloud and gets back the transcription of that user input. Now we can send this text input to the OpenAI API and ChatGPT model processes this input and returns back the response in text format. Now we have the response of our ChatGPT. Our application sends the text to the cloud and Cloud API processes this as a text to speech and returns back the sound file. Now we need to play this voice and animate the avatar. I used Ready Player Me avatar for this purpose and Oculus Lip Sync library. These are the technologies I used for this application. You can find the links in the description section of this video. What can be done? Something like that. AI control characters for VR applications like education applications, training simulations, games, chatbot-like assistants. Immersive and conversational language learning applications. Immersive and conversational environment is suitable for many purposes like customer support, employee orientation trainings, product introduction sessions, etc. Thanks for watching.